We set the ridge cap pretty late in the night, so we took a look at it in the morning. The next day it looks pretty uniform. One detail that helps set it correctly: the end rafter creates a pocket that the ridge cap fits into. We had to tap it slightly so that it drops in. The only comment I have is that water could collect in the crevice between the wood and the plastic. Over time, freeze and thaw would create issues. In the spring, I'm going to add a bead of caulk to keep the water out of this channel. The pergola is east-facing and turned out well. There are several accessories we still need to complete. We ran conduits for power and a buried water line for water. This needs to be hooked up. Wifey had purchased additional hanging baskets for lights and plants that need to be installed, and site grading needs to be completed. Some of it we will get to throughout the winter or need to wait till the spring. We got it done though, in time for this winter season. All in all, it's a good kit greenhouse and a nice addition to our yard.